Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Wally AI Chat GPT widget on Tecno Spark 10 Pro. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and then click search. Now click on Wally AI and click install. Now you can click open, and now you can skip this introduction and click open permissions to allow this application to display over other apps. So click here to allow this application and then click back, and now click start. And as you can see, here is your Chat GPT widget. You can open it and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your desktop, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.